I would like to introduce my cousin Bigok. Many of you probably know him, Cornelius. I think his butt's getting tingled. He wants to York. This song was composed by one of our uncles, Warlock, Billy Beans, and we'd like to acknowledge the Beans family for allowing us to carry on our uncle's songs, and as well as all the other elders who have left a legacy of songs for us to continue. From the Lower Yukon, all the way from Stebbins, Cartlick, Nunamikwa, Imangak, Stanley Waska, Mountain Village, my Uncle Gregory, Abayak, my uncles in St. Mary's, Jimmy Balkan, my cousins Andy Balkan, Billy Beans, Raphael Afghan, and especially my dad, Andy Kingsley, who left a legacy of songs and dances for me to continue to carry on. Also, my other elect from Pilot Station, Dan Green, Mr. Kelly, and all the other elders, all the way up to Tukchuk, Marshall, Anna Oni, and many of the elders that have left me songs from Chivak, the Ayagakak family. Cannot forget my Chupikilaks. I always be jealous of them because they have a little bit more seal oil than me. But anyways, we'd like to share this song from Billy Beans, motioning back and forth, paddling our boat, looking around in the foggy weather.
Manika,